Hey, I'm Joanna and I wanted to make a short video explaining this series because I think if you clicked on this video, it might interest you if you are someone who has a background in aerial and you're looking to get back to it yourself, or maybe you're a beginning budding aerialist and you just need some resources to follow online. So let me give you just a short backstory. It's been about 4.5 years since I've performed aerially. I've had 2 kids since then. I had a pretty significant abdominal separation with both. I've tried half-heartedly several times to start training again and just was really discouraged with my progress. I don't have any time because I'm primarily a stay-at-home mom. I own a small business. I'm a trainer. I teach classes. I just was like, gosh, I think this is over in my life. That season of being an aerial performer, and it's not over. It's not over for me. The love affair is not over, and I believe if this speaks to you, it's not over for you either. So here's the deal. I wanna make a series just documenting my progress back into it. Is it gonna be amazing? Am I gonna get super advanced in a short amount of time? Probably not, because I'm crazy busy right now, but I wanna offer a resource online. I do find that there's not a lot on YouTube for aerial. There's a little bit, but I wanna offer a little bit more. So here's my plan for this series if you wanna follow along. I'm in decent shape right now for like a muggle, you know, like a normal person, which, as you know, is not the same as aerial shape. So I'm gonna start pretty on the beginning side. I wanna create a few videos for aerial conditioning, beginning flexibility, beginning skills. I am in a garage gym. I have a garage gym in here, and this is probably where I'm gonna be filming most of the time. I have a point that I can rig off of, but it's not tall. So I'm mostly a Lyra artist, but I'll do a little bit of silks. So some skills in there and then some beginning combos. And then I'll move on to intermediate and hopefully advanced. Again, conditioning, flexibility, skills, and combos. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, I would really, really love if you would comment down below if you think you might join me on this journey, because I can't do it alone, I don't think. I'm afraid I will stop, or I'll get in my head because my abs aren't the same, because 2 kids, man, will change your body. And I want to really operate on the fact that this is what I love to do. 2023, I want to move. You know, if you've been in the air, you've done high drops, you've been up 60 feet in the air in a harness, you have spun really, really fast in a Lyra. I mean, it is so addicting. I miss that. My heart and soul misses that. I want that in my life again so bad. For me, just for me. I don't care if my body's super different. I want that for my soul. So, yeah, I would love it if you would follow along. I hope that this helps you in your skills and maybe provides like a little online friend resource if this is a journey that you're looking to bring into your life as well. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.